Hey there, Jamie Smith with CF Pro Tools. Just have a quick demonstration of how to use the CF Select Default script. And what this script does is it allows you to come in and change the default product that is selected on your order form. So normally out of the box, ClickFunnels will select the first product in your product list as the default product, and that's the product that will be selected when someone lands on your order form. So if I take a look at this funnel inside of my ClickFunnels page and look at the products tab, then you can see that the first product is this sales funnel assignment 1, and this is sales funnel assignment 1 time. That's the product that's going to be selected by default. What I've created is a little script that allows us to change that, and all we need to do is actually change the product ID to the product that we want to be selected by default. So what we can do is actually go in, and what I like to do, a quick way to do this to get the product ID is to right click on the actual radio button for your product and click inspect. This is in Chrome. It'll be maybe slightly different inside of Firefox, and that's going to highlight inside of the code inspector, it's going to highlight the item that you just selected on, which is going to be input type radio. And then there's going to be a value field, and that value in this case is 684471. So all you need to do is double click on that, and it will actually highlight that number, and I can just copy that from there. And then I'm going to go into my script, and then I'm going to double click in this, and I'm going to paste in that new script. Then I'm going to highlight and copy all of that code. And now I'm going to go in back into my editor, and I'm going to go in and I'm going to edit this page. And I'm going to go ahead and click in my editor here, edit page. And then what I want to do is go to settings, and then tracking codes, and then footer custom tracking. I'm just going to paste in that script. I'm going to hit save. And now if I go back to my page here, I'm going to go ahead and close out my code inspector. And now if I reload this page, now you can see my second product is the one that is selected by default. So what this script does, it quickly allows, basically you set the product ID, and then the code will actually click that product ID for you when the page loads. This is definitely helpful if you've got 4 or 5 products on your page and you want to select, say, the product in the middle. Again, you just right click on the product that you want to have selected by default, click inspect, and then it will highlight that product for you, and just copy just the number, and then go into your code. You can highlight that, put in that number, and then copy the entire script, go into your editor, go into custom tracking, tracking codes, and then footer custom tracking, paste in that script, and we'll go ahead and do a save. And then if we go and we reload our page, I'm going to go ahead and close this out so we can see a little better. We'll reload this page, and now we can see we're back to having that first item be selected. So that is the CF Select Default script. I hope you find it useful, and I'll talk to you soon.